Hello, grade 3. I hope you all doing great. Our session today is about the thousands. Let's say the blue cube represents 1. Start count with me. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The 10 blue cubes are 110. So 10 ones equal 110. Also the same. Count with me how many blocks of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The 10 tens are 100. The 10 tens 100. So the 100, the wall of 100 have 10 tens. Also, one wall of 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All of them together are 1000. So the 1000 have 10 hundred. The 1000 has 10 hundred. Okay, complete. The number is this number is 4000 equal what hundreds. I want to put the 4000 in the term of the hundreds. Okay, I ask myself how many thousand, how many hundred inside the 1000. We know that 1000 equals 10 hundred. So the 4000 will be 40 hundred. Is it clear? There is much easier way to solve this problem. If you want to put the 4000 in the term of the hundred, you must cancel two zeros. If you want the 4000 in the term of the tens, you must cancel one zero, and so on. Okay, our next question. 5000 equal what hundreds? Okay, pause the video and try to solve this. Okay, I guess now you all solve it. I want to convert the 5000 in the term of the hundreds, so I will cancel two zeros. The answer will be 50. Also, I ask myself, 1000 have 10 hundreds, 10 hundreds. So the 5000 have 50 hundreds. Next point, plank equal 6000. Okay, the 6000 have three zeros. So 6 before the three zeros. Okay, if you look at this number, the blue 2 inside the thousand, so it will be 2000, 2214. Okay, the blue 2 is 2000. The value of the 2 of the digit 2 is 2000. The value of The orange 2 is 200, and the value of the 1 is 10, and the value of the 4 is 4. Okay, but why did I say that? Why I said the blue 2 equals 2000 and the orange 2 equals 200? Because the place value. There is a place of ones. If you put the 4 inside it, it will be 4. And there is a place or a house of tens. If you put any number inside, this number will be, or if you put 1 inside it, it will be 10. If you put 2 inside the tens, it will be 20. If you put 3 inside the tens, it will be 30, and so on. There is a place of the hundreds. If you put the 2 inside it, will be 200. Okay. The wall will stand for the comma. And there is a place of the thousands. If you put the 2 inside it, it will be 2000, and so on. Okay. We know this number is 2214. You can write it, this form is a standard form. There is other forms help us with other things. There is the expanded form. Expanded form, I put the number uh, in the form of submission of the value of its digits. It helps me to show the value of each digit. You notice that the 2, it would be 2000. The blue 2 is 2000, and the orange 2 is 200. The 1 is 10. The 4 equals 4. And the last form is the word form. I write it using words. 2214. Okay. Write the place value and the value of the colored digit. 4839. I want the value and the place value, of course. Okay, 9 in the ones place value, 3 in the tens place value, 8 in the hundreds place value, 4 in the thousands place value. So the place value of the 4 is thousands, and the value, of course, will be 4 thousands. Also the same. Can you read this number? Excellent. 7272. I want the place value and the value of the 7. Okay. The place value of the 7 is the tens, and the value of the 7 is 70. The next example, can you read this number? 5018. The place value of the 0 will be the hundreds, and the value of 0 is, of course, 0. The value of 0 in any place value is 0. Okay, I want to write in the standard form. 4500 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7 equals, of course, 4567. Can you solve this? 4000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 4. That's right. It will be 7,654. Okay, 3,512. I think it's easy for you. It will be 3,512. And 8,508. It will be 8,508. Okay, there is an important remark. 9 is the greatest one digit number. If I have one place value, uh, 9, if I put 9 inside the place value, is the greatest number I can form from one digit. So if I add 1, it will be 10. So the 10 will be the smallest two digit number. And 99 is the greatest two digit number. If I put 1, it will be 100. 100 consists of three digits or three place value. So the 100 is the smallest three digit number. 999 is the greatest three digit number. If I add 1, it will be 1000. 1000 consists of four digits or four place values. So the 1000 is the smallest four digit number. I want to create the greatest and the least or the smallest four digit number from the digit 2, from the digit 2, 1, 5 and 7. To create the greatest, I put the digit that makes me the place value or the number as greatest as possible. Okay, if you look at this number, will you notice that the 7 that makes me, because the 7 makes the 7,000. But if I put another number like 5, it will be 5,000. So I put the number that make me the place value as great as possible. 7 inside the thousand, and 5 inside the hundreds, 2 inside the tens, ones inside the ones. Okay, if I want to create the smallest number, I put the number that makes the place value or the place value makes the number as small as possible. So I put this 1 inside the thousand, 2 inside the hundreds, 5 inside the tens, and 7 inside the ones. If you read this number, the greatest number will be 7,521, and the smallest will be 1,257. Okay, the next example from the digits 9, 5, 3, and 4. Solve it by yourself. Pause the video. Okay, I think you all got that. I will put the 9 inside the thousands, 5 inside the hundreds, 4 inside the tens, 3 inside the ones to create the greatest number from 4 digits. The smallest, I will put the 3 inside the thousand, 4 inside the hundreds, 5 inside the tens, 9 inside the ones. Okay, I want to compare between two numbers. How can I compare between two numbers? How can I say that this number is bigger than that number and vice versa? Okay, if they have different number of digits, one number has more digits than the other, so the number that has more digits is the greatest. If you look at this example, 5,236 and 534, which was bigger? Of course will be the 5,236 because it has more digits, and if it has more digits it has three more place values. Okay, if you look at the two 5, the red 5 in the place value of the thousands, it will be 5,000, but the green 5 will be 500, and so on. Okay, if they having the same number of digits, I start from the biggest place value on from the left. Okay, I start to compare between them. uh, for example, this number, the 5 equal the 5, so I'll switch to the next number will be 4. 4 and 4 are the same. I switch to the next number, 2 and 0. 2 is greater than 0, so the whole number of 5426 is greater than 5400. Okay, complete with greater than, smaller than, or equal. Read this number: 3658 and 3654. Okay, I will start between them. First, they have the same number of digits, so start from the biggest place value from the left. 3 equal to 3, and 6 equal to 6. 5 equal to 5, but 8 is greater than 4, so the number 3658 is greater than 3654. The next, I depend on, if I stop, you pause the video and give yourself 1 minute or two, or maybe 3 seconds to solve it. Okay, the number on the left 2800, the number on the right 878. Okay, the number on the left have more digits, so it will be the greatest number. Next number, the next two number is 9548 and 9665. Okay, they having the same digit, having the same number of digits, so I start from the left. 9 equals 9, but 6 is greater than 5, so the number on the right is greater than, which is 9665 is greater than 9548.